Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or So It Seems. So today I am going to be showing you all my Sewers Club subscription box. This is the April box. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. I'm going to take my little screwdriver here, open it up. Probably should have did that beforehand, but it's all good. Okay. All right, let's get inside. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right. So, this is the project. This is the Blossom Box Bag. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. You like it? I do. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. So, we have our thread, which is white. You can never go wrong with white thread. This is color 20. Then we have our zipper pull, and they always, well, sometimes they put handmade on it, and this one has handmade on it. That's cute. And then here's the zipper tape. Okay. All right. So, are you ready for the fabric? I am too. Okay. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? Look at it. Oh my God. I like it. I really like it. So this is fabric A, which is a quilting cotton. It is called Strawberry Jam Floral. And this is a fat quarter. I really, really like it. Okay. And then the next fabric. All right. You like it? This is fabric B, which is a quilting cotton, and it's berry toss white. Yes, these look like little strawberries. That is too cute. Okay, so look at them together. What you think? What you think? What you think? Okay. Of course, they gave us our interfacing. Yeah, so we got the Blossom Bag box. So if you are interested in getting this project, head over to the Sewers Club website and check it out. It's a nice subscription box, and it's around $30 a month Canadian, and it is awesome. The details will be included down in the description box. Here we go. Yes, isn't that nice? Look at the strawberries. Oh, okay. I see what y'all did right there. I see what y'all did. Yeah, so it's nice. It's nice. Check it out. Strawberries. And then even more strawberries. Yeah, so I can't wait to make this project. Let's put everything back. And I'm going to get started on this tomorrow and try to whip this out. This project is so nice. I can't wait to make it. And yeah, show you how it turns out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, sew it up, and watch how it turns out. Bye.